Hi friends, today we are going to discuss root words. This topic for first year students in first semester. What is root words? A root is a word that does not have a prefix in front of the word or a suffix at the end of the word. So, what is root word? It does not have anything in front of the word or after the word. What is prefix? Prefix is, prefix is a anything. If we add to anything to word before the word, it is called prefix. If you add anything to after the word, it is called a suffix. But in case of root word, there is no prefix, there is no suffix. That is called a root word. The root word is the primary lexical unit of a word and of a word family, which carries the most significant aspects of semantic content and cannot be reduced into smaller constituents. We can't divide the root word into small parts. It has its special stand. So it has its meaning and it has its independent word. Many English words are formed by taking basic words and adding combinations of prefixes and suffixes to them. In English, there are number of words. They are come out by to add to prefixes to the root word and also added suffixes to that word. We use number of words. Number of words we are made by adding to the basic root word. A basic word to which affixes. What is affixes? Prefixes and suffixes or added is called a root word because it forms the basis of a new word. The root word is also a word in its own right. For example, the word lovely consists of the word love and the suffix ly. You see, lovely. Here we added ly, that is called suffix. Ly is a suffix. So there is another meaning. What is the main root word in this sentence? In this word, love. Love is a root word. We had ly, a suffix. So the root word is love. If you add suffix to the ly to that word, that is lovely. In contrast, a root is the basis of a new word, but it does not typically form a standalone, sometimes word on its own. For example, the word reject is made up of the prefix re or e. Reject, re, it is a prefix. And the Latin root here, ject, J-E-C-T, which is not a standalone word. Here, reject, J-E-C-T is a Latin word. If you add prefix to re, it is then we call reject. Sometimes it occurs. The process of making new words from a base or root form is known as word formation. The process of making new words from a base root form is known as word formation. And understanding how this works will help us build our vocabulary by deriving many new words according to our needs. There is a root word. We can add to prefixes and also suffixes, then make a number of word formations. In English, there are number of word formations only occur like this. Many words that we use come from a root word. If we disconnect prefixes and suffixes, the root can be identified. If we delete prefix before the word and also suffix after the word, then only we can identify the root word. For example, in a word such as bicycle, the root word is cycle. Here bi is a prefix we add to the cycle. That is a word formation. So in the bicycle, bi a prefix, cycle is a root word. And then what we call bicycle. Since English is a derivational language, you know, English is a derivational language. Number of English words. We borrowed different languages. In English, we borrowed different languages. So there are many problems when we utter some words because we derived a number of words from different languages. For example, Greek, Latin, Spain. There are French also. There are number of words we borrowed and borrowed into the English language. It has borrowed many words from other languages, especially from Greek and Latin. More words are from Greek and Latin roots. For example, pater is a Latin word which means father. It serves as the root for English words such as patriarch, patrimony, patron. So there is a one root word. We can make number of words from that word, but the root word is from not English word. It is a another language, Latin word. So we see some examples here. Common Latin roots. For example, ambi, A-M-B-I. It is a Latin root word which means both. Examples: ambiguous, ambidextrous. So here Latin root is ambi, meaning both. Examples: ambiguous, ambidextrous. And another one, aqua, meaning water. What are the words we use by this Latin root? Aquarium, aquamarine. But here the Latin root is aqua, that means water. We can have words aquarium, aquamarine. And another one, odd, A-U-D. What it means? To ear. A-U-D, odd, means to ear. The words we use: audience, audition. Here Latin root is odd, meaning to hear. Words: audience, audition. The another one is ben, B-E-N-E, Benny, meaning good. Words, for example, words: benefactor, benevolent. And also next one, cent, C-E-N-T, cent, meaning 100. What are the words we use in English? Century, percent. And next, dict, D-I-C-T. It is a Latin root word meaning to say. Examples: dictation, dictator. And another one, form, F-O-R-M, form, meaning shape. Words: conform, reform. And another one, matter, M-A-T-E-R, matter, meaning mother. In English, meaning mother. Words we use: material, maternity, material and maternity. Another one, multi, meaning many. Examples: multimedia, multiple. And another Latin root already we discussed, pater. In English we called meaning father. By this Latin root word we form paternal, paternity. And also another Latin root word, port, P-O-R-T, port, which means to carry. Example, portable transportation. Here root word is port, but words are portable transportation. Next, another Latin root word, rupt, R-U-P-T, rupt, meaning to break. Examples, bankrupt, disruption, bankrupt, disruption. And also scribe, S-C-R-I-B, scribe, meaning to write, to write. Examples, inscription, prescribe, inscription, prescribe. And also spect, S-P-E-C-T, spect, meaning to look. Example, inspection, spectator, inspection, spectator. And another one, struct, S-T-R-U-C-T, struct, meaning to build. Latin root is struct, S-T-R-U-C-T, meaning to build. Examples, destruction, restructure. Examples, destruction, restructure. These all are Latin roots. By these Latin roots, we formed a number of words in English. There are number of Latin roots, but we only discussed only few. There are number of Latin roots. Today we are using number of English words by these Latin roots. We had prefixes and suffixes to this Latin root word. We form a different English words in English language. And then now we can discuss about some common Greek roots in English. By Greek, we borrowed number of words have taken from the Greek language. Today we use a number of English words from the Greek language. So there are common Greek roots. Now we are going to discuss. For example, anthropo, A-N-T-H-R-O-P-O, anthropo, which means man, human, humanity. Examples, anthropologist, philanthropy. Here root word is anthropo. Anthropo means man, human, humanity. Examples, anthropologist, philanthropy. And also another one, auto, A-U-T-O, auto, which means self. Examples, we use words, autobiography, automobile, autobiography, automobile. And another one from Greek language, bio, B-I-O. Bio is a Greek word which means life, which means life. The words we use today, biology, biography, biology, biography. And another Greek root we use now, chron, C-H-R-O-N, chron, meaning time. The words chronological, chronic. And also another Greek root, dyna, D-Y-N-A, dyna, meaning power, power. Examples, dynamic, dynamite, dynamic, dynamite. And also another Greek root, graph, G-R-A-P-H, graph, which means writing, which means writing. Examples, words, graphic, phonograph, graphic, phonograph. And also another one, H-Y-D-R, hydra, hydra, which means water. Examples words, hydration, dehydrate, hydration, dehydration, dehydrate. And also another Greek root logi, L-O-G-Y, logi, which means study of, which means study of. Examples words, for example, biology, psychology, biology, psychology. And another Greek root micro, M-I-C-R-O, micro, which means small, which means small. Words microbe, microscope, microbe, microscope. And also another Greek root, that is mono, M-O-N-O, mono, which means one. For example, words monologue, monotonous, monologue, monotonous. There are number of Latin roots today we are using by and also another example, nym, N-Y-M, nym, which means name. Example words antonym, synonym. Here root word is nym, N-Y-M, which means name. Examples antonym, synonym. And also another pill, P-H-I-L, pill, which means love, examples we use words philanthropist, philosophy, and also another Greek root word psycho, P-S-Y-C-H-O, psycho, which means soul, S-O-U-L, soul, spirit. For example, words we use psychology, psychic, and also another Greek root word scope, S-C-O-P-E, scope, which means weaving instrument. Example words microscope, telescope. Here root word is scope, but if we add to this one, then words are microscope, telescope. And also another Greek root word techno, T-E-C-H-N-O, techno, which means art, science, skill. Example words technique, technology, and also another Greek root tele, T-E-L-E, tele, which means far off. Examples television, telephone. Like this, there are number of words, number of Latin roots and also Greek roots are borrowed into English language. By these roots, we made a number of English words. Today we are using. This is a root word. How can you identify a root word in a word? For example, aquamarine. How to identify here root word aquamarine? Here, aqua is a root word, which means water. And also, for example, audible, A-U-D-I-B-L-E, audible. How to identify a root word in this word? Audio means sound or hearing. And also, for example, connect. How do you identify here a root word? Con, C-O-N, con, which means with. In this way, this is called a root word. I think you understand well. Thank you very much.